Hello everyone, this is Gopal from Jagdamba Pearls, MG Road, Secunderabad. Thank you very much for watching all our videos of other kind of jewelry like Victorian, pearls and gold, diamond jewelry. So today we are showing the all the diamond chokers with all the natural gemstones. Like this is one of the natural Navratna gemstone along with the Morganite stone in between natural rubies. This is Morganite stone along with the diamond and natural emeralds. This is Russian emeralds. And see again, this is also carving ruby pendant. We made it choker along with the Keshi pearls. This is a long 5-line South Sea pearls. Side brooch. We have a matching earrings also for this. And when everybody is looking for the emerald stone nowadays, this is emeralds and diamonds. It's 5 lines South Sea pearl choker. Chokers nowadays in trend. This is natural rubies. See, this is choker, natural ruby and diamonds, VVS1 EF quality. In this approximately around 10 gram gold, and the diamond is around 1.76 carat with the 4 rows of South Sea pearls. In future you can change it to pendant also. There is a provision to put in a gold chain. So all these chokers can be turned into the side brooches or the pendant in future. So whenever you want to put in a chain, you can put and wear it. So these are all lightweight jewelry, can be wearable on any party, any get together also, on gowns, saris, dresses, and all these are the lightweight collection, not for the lockers. All these you can wear it, and it is very good for the gifting purpose because all are the natural gemstones, and people like all the natural gemstones nowadays. And there is a buyback guarantee, so no need to think everything about the pricing and the quality. Always the qualities is AAA in all the segments like pearls, gemstone, and the gold is naturally BIS hallmark, and the diamond quality along with the IGI certificates. So quality assurance is there. And what is VVS1? I would like to explain. Nowadays everybody says that diamond rate is this, but you have to ask what the quality and the grade. VVS1 means there is very few inclusions. See, if you go like SI2 and all, you will find lot of inclusions. So that is the reason the clarity is VVS and the color is EF. EF means generally in all the jewelry 2 shades will come, EF, FG, like that. If you take a solitaire one piece, the single color will come like E or F, G, whatever color you want as per your requirement. So whenever you buy any jewelry from any store, you please ask the diamond quality and the clarity along with the certificate. Better to take VVS1 EF because it is always resellable, exchangeable with the best price as per the market and widely acceptable. And we people charge for all these VVS1 EF along with the IGI certificate 42,800 per carat. Whenever you wear this jewelry, it looks very elegant and very nice. Have a look, our salesperson Mrs. Janki wearing this with the 5 rows of South Sea pearls along with the emerald and natural diamonds, which contains approximately 10 to 15 gram gold and nearly about 2 carats of diamonds. So waiting for what? Please WhatsApp on our official WhatsApp number 720-720-0042, and we have 4 branches across the city. One is Gachibowli, one is Era Manjil, another one is ASR Nagar, and this is MG Road, Secunderabad, the main shop. For best price and the more varieties, please WhatsApp on our official WhatsApp number so that you will get a best deal and the range also. Please like and subscribe our video so that you will get more upcoming videos very soon. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever we upload the new videos. And thank you very much watching for this video. See you soon.